Don't be in denial about being in denial. Awareness is fundamental in every area of life. And yet, in one of the most important areas, our finances, the majority of people don't have a clue and are in denial about not having a clue. They are in denial emotionally, where they don't want to admit that they've made mistakes. But you see, mistakes are not the problem. It's not learning from the mistakes that's the problem. Let me run through the main thing that people are in denial about, which will allow you to start the process of measuring where you are financially. The main thing, cash flow. The biggest mistake people make is they don't keep a close enough eye on their cash flow, whether that be in their homes, businesses or properties. You must include all your income and expenditure. Let me repeat that, all your bills, all your outgoings, all costs. You absolutely need to know this because you need to know what's going on. If there's a problem, you can put it right quickly. But if you don't know what the problems are, you can't ever solve them. So stop being in denial about being in denial.